We're here at Mary Mart. One of the very convenient things here is getting a phone repaired. There are phone repair shops pretty much everywhere. Yet somehow she has a favorite. But they will fix just about anything on a phone, and it's usually pretty cheap. In the US, I know water damage, they would always say it was like shorted out and you had to get a new phone. But here, they'll fix it for like $2, $3 maybe. We've done broken screens, non-responsive touch screens, all kinds of stuff. They'll fix it all. Right now we've got a phone from a sister-in-law from the province and it has a non-responsive touch screen. So Melanie is talking to them. She says she wants me to stay away in case they raise the price for the foreigner. But I think she uses the same people so much. They know me already and they know her. So if they're going to raise the price, they would do it anyway. Let's find out if they can fix it and how much it will be. Well, I found the problem. Wow, they're cheap. She has a family member that does phone repair and said it is a part that would cost about 250 pesos. The first shop said they would fix it for 650. The second shop said 850. Both of those are too expensive. I told her if it's almost 300 pesos on the part and about 300 on labor, that's pretty good. But she's a cheap Charlie. It's not her money, it is her sister-in-law's. And the sister-in-law is insisting that we find someplace cheaper. So I guess we're expected to walk around the entire day to find someplace so she can save 100 pesos. I'm probably going to just go shop on my own and let her deal with this because I don't have patience for stupidity. Such is life. I'm going to have a good day anyway. I gave up. I came here to iMart. I am enjoying a Coke and letting her shop because she's gone crazy on finding the price. She just texted. She found it and she's bragging. She found $250 for the part, $250 for a laborer. So she found it for $500. I'm like, okay. I mean, saving 100 pesos is good, but it's $2, man. I'm not gonna argue over $2 that much. But I just bought a Coke and a bag of Cheetos for 55 cents total. I can't argue with that, so I'm still digging it. Jalapeno Cheetos, man. So she's getting the phone fixed, and I'm having an air-conditioned Coke break. Can't argue with that. These iMarts are everywhere. They're actually pretty nice. Well, she found a place out here that was 100 pesos cheaper than inside the mall. But if you got to walk around for 30 minutes to save $1, did you really save any money? That's debatable. But she's happy with it, and I got an air-conditioned break, so I didn't mind. Not my phone, not my money, not my problem. Enjoy your day in paradise.